Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to food to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to tap dance on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right guys, so today is another IGXO Cosmetics and NitraaB collaboration. IGXO reached out to me via Instagram to ask if I wanted to purchase with a coupon code the upcoming, well, it's actually been out for a while now at this point, but when I purchased it first, it was liquid lipstick from NitraaB and IGXO. It's a collab. So the color is Arama a Jammer. NitraaB is Alabama Roll Tide. I'm not an Alabama fan. I'm a Go Pack NC State. But I loved NitraaB's first collab with IGXO. I'll leave the iCard above of that video. But today, we're going to do the latest version of the NitraaB color. And this is a beautiful red mauve. It's a beautiful Alabama Roll Tide deep red, but it still looks good for the summer. So I don't have anything on my lips. I will zoom you guys in, but let me read you a little bit about this color and about the IGXO Cosmetics. NitraaB's new ultra comfortable, ultra long lasting, non-transfer matte liquid lipstick offers a luscious color with a blend of antioxidants including vitamins A and C to help hydrate, nourish, and condition your lips. While this is a long-wearing formula, it does not dry down on your lips, remaining moisturized and comfortable with high-intensity pigmentation. All vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and made in the good US of A. Alright guys, so I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, look at my lips, not looking too crusty today. They look pretty hydrated, you know what I'm saying? Pretty hydrated. So I have worn this lipstick a few times, and I feel like this one doesn't last as long as the other one, but that may have been because of how I applied it. So today I'm just gonna, it's probably about, I think it's like 6 o'clock. I'll wear it for maybe like, I don't know, 3 hours, and we'll see what kind of wear we get out of it. But here it is. It smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, like it smells sweet. Y'all, this is freaking good. It's so smooth on the lips. And that's one coat. I'm gonna let it dry down a little, and I'll do one more coat. Okay, this is the first coat. I'm gonna go in with the second, just to deepen it up a little. I actually think one coat would be fine, but I just want to see how it does with 2 coats. And y'all, I don't have my contacts on, so hopefully I'm filling in my lips right. It's so pretty. What you know about that? Wobble on it, wobble on it. Alright guys, it is 6:45 p.m. I have on my second coat of lipstick. I'm gonna wear this probably for the rest of the night, say till maybe like 10, just so you guys can see how it looks for maybe 4 to 5 hours. I have worn this lipstick before and I absolutely love it. It feels very soft on my lips, like I mentioned before. I don't think it lasted as long as the other one. I think the other one lasted like longer than 8 hours, but this one, it lasted at least a good 4 to 6 hours. So I mean, it's not that much of a difference. The price point is $17, but if you do, I think they still have it online, you can do the dual where you can get NitraaB's first collab and this one for $24, so it's a better deal to do that. And if I can find a coupon code, I will leave it in the description for you guys as well. Alright, so I will check back in with you guys after I eat dinner, and then you can see kind of how she lasts. I'm gonna zoom you in one last time, you know what I'm saying? One last time to see how Rama is jamming all on my lips, you know what I'm saying? I love it. Alright, see you guys in a few. Hey guys, so it has been about maybe about 3 or 4 hours. I did eat dinner, as you can see. The color has worn off a little right in here because I had some it wasn't an oily sauce, but it was a little sauce, you know what you think. I definitely highly recommend this lip. If you're not gonna eat for several hours, you're just going out to the club, maybe sipping on a little adult beverage, I think you'll be good for the entire night. Just stay away from anything oily. Like with any liquid lipstick or a lasting lipstick, it usually tends to come off with oil. So that's my only tip. All in all, like I said, if I can find a discount code, I will leave one in the description box for you guys. And I think that's it. Thanks IGXO for the coupon code for my purchase. I did use my own money, but I used the coupon code as well. But if I can find you guys one, I will leave it in the description box. And I'm so happy for you again, Nitra, on this collaboration. I love Rammer Jammer. And all right, catch you guys in my next one. Bye.